Kaiser Permanente, our mission is to serve the patients in our community. One of the ways we do that is through the HEAL, Healthy Eating and Active Living Initiative. The whole idea behind HEAL is really making infrastructure investments in the community, as well as bringing the community together to promote and engage them, which will create a foundation for health for the future. We know that over half of adults in this country are overweight or obese. And unfortunately, 1 in 3 children are already showing signs of being overweight, which strongly predicts obesity in the future. But what we're really learning is that health is more about what you do outside of the doctor's office.
I think that the biggest success that we've had in the HEAL Zone is empowering the residents to be leaders in their own community. There's a decrease in social isolation in the community, and they're creating a big impact on social determinants of health. So our community health workers are enrolling community members in the CalFresh or SNAP program here in the clinic in their neighborhood. They had the opportunity to go and testify with City Council on the default drink ordinance in Long Beach.
La oportunidad de tener la inversión de Kaiser aquí en el HEAL Zone ha sido muy importante, sobre todo para hacer un cambio y para darnos cuenta de la situación en la que estamos viviendo. Yo no sabía muchas de las cosas de dónde vivo. Vivir cerca del freeway es algo que no es muy bueno y yo no lo sabía sino hasta que me involucré en el HEAL Zone. Entonces, el saberlo me ha dado la oportunidad de hacer cambios positivos en mi vida y ayudar a mi familia también a hacer los cambios positivos.
About 4 years ago, Hilda went to the LA County Open Space Plan meeting. They had a bunch of ideas they wanted to vote on and put priorities on. She actually brought this up, it wasn't even on the agenda, about putting in this walking loop. She lobbied with some of the other people at the meeting and she ended up getting enough votes that ended up being the #1 vote getter at the county meeting. Came into the city level and now it's actually in the planning stage and we're hoping to see that walking loop come into fruition.
El poder soñar juntos, el poder pelear juntos, el poder lograr juntos es algo muy especial, muy especial para mí.
This community is strong, they are fierce, using their streets and their parks and their open space for healthy active activities. North Long Beach Open Space Vision Plan, that was our master plan for North Long Beach. They found about 6 acres per 1,000 areas of open space in their community through that plan by just being creative and looking around their neighborhood, particularly along the LA River and some adjacent vacant parcels, as well as the vacant open space under the power lines. And so that was something that was really useful to take a new perspective and look at those areas as opportunities rather than as deficits. The North Long Beach HEAL Zone was a critical partner in funding some of our early healthy outdoor activities. In particular, there's a fitness station with fitness equipment at the Houghton Park Community Center, and it was part of a larger re-envisioning of the park.
Ultimately, working neighborhood by neighborhood, taking a place-based approach. Goal is that for residents living here, the healthy choice is the easy choice. One of the initial successes is simply just the bringing together of the multi-sector collaborative, really helping to foster the Coalition for a Healthy North Long Beach, allowing residents and community leaders and city departments and community-based organizations to really come together and focus on this neighborhood and take that ground level approach to improving access to healthy foods through programs like the Crop Swap and the Urban Ag Incentive Zone, helping to foster the development of the farmers market here in North Long Beach. All of those sort of initiatives really address what was identified as a need by our residents to improve access to healthy food.
We think that this Crop Swap is a good solution that improves food access to the community. Not just any food, but healthy food that is right out of the ground. This is we call it the D9 Victory Garden Farm, and that's sort of a nod to District 9 and Council Member Rex Richardson. This is his field office here, and it was through him that we were able to sort of get access to this and do all these things.
all these wonderful people who came and brought their produce from their backyard. I eat more healthy because of this, so at no price. It's a wonderful experience.
Another project that we're really proud of is the work that we've done with our youth and resident leadership academies to provide some resources and training and skill building.
Residents have also contributed to environmental changes in the community that have improved walkability and safety for people that are pedestrians and bikeability as well. Parents identified areas, streets, and intersections that were a little dangerous for families that are walking. As a result of that, the city was able to bring city engineers to create a traffic circle that now slows the traffic in the area immediately surrounding the school. We want to do a systems level approach, so we spread the Heal Zone prescription pad to our 11 clinic sites. Clinics serve over 49,000 patients in Long Beach and the surrounding cities.
Ser un líder es tener la oportunidad de practicar lo que es amor puro. Pues amor trae felicidad, ¿no? Y si nosotros cambiamos nuestra área donde vivimos y la mantenemos limpia y trabajamos juntos, pues eso es amor, es lo que creo.